Hey curl friends. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my aloe treatment. I burned my scalp at the beach really bad. I have scabs on my scalp from my scalp trying to heal. Okay, it's that bad. So anyways, I'm gonna do an at-home aloe treatment. I was only gonna do it on my scalp, but since I have so many aloe leaves, I'm going to do it on my scalp and on my hair. So don't mind how I look right now. We're gonna fix that. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna mix in my aloe. It's gonna be the pure aloe gel from the leaf. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you don't have to get me. I have never cut an aloe leaf before, so this is gonna be my first time. So I'm just gonna chop it up here somewhere and then maybe chop it down here. Yeah, let's try that. Ah, cool. And you see the gel right there. This was actually much easier to cut than I had originally thought. I thought it was gonna be super hard to cut through and it wasn't. So it cuts very easily. So, like I said, this is my first time. They said to scoop this out. Just know that it is very slimy. Some people honestly don't even go through this whole process of getting all the gel out. Some people literally just touch it right there how it is and put it directly on their scalp. I did not want to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to take some organic coconut oil and I'm going to put this. Now I'm gonna end up mixing this together in the blender. Okay.
How many tablespoons?
Two tablespoons. And then we are just going to dump all of this in here like that. Okay, now it's all in here. As you can see, I have the NutriBullet. Any blender will work perfectly fine. Okay, that's going to be easier to put on my scalp. Okay, so after I have made my concoction of stuff, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start by applying it to my scalp first, and then I'm just gonna apply whatever's left to the rest of my hair and do it as a regular treatment. Put it up and leave it in for a while. As you can see, I'm just parting my hair and applying it to my scalp. I want to make sure, since I'm using this as a scalp treatment mainly, that was the reason for doing this, that I get it all over my scalp. So I do this for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm actually putting in this scalp treatment. Like I said, I'm also using it on the rest of my hair the same way I would do a wash and go. So I'm detangling first with water. After I detangle, then I just go ahead and I take a spoonful, and then I put that on my scalp. After I rub it into my scalp, then I literally take some in my hand and then just put it in the rest of my hair. And that's it. And that's how I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and scalp. The rest of my scalp and hair. Hey guys! Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I know that on Google it had said to leave it in for an hour, but that's if you're just doing like a regular treatment to moisturize your scalp and your hair. I'm doing this because I literally burned my scalp with the sun, obviously. So it ended up like blistering and now I have scabs. So I'm doing it more so for my personal reasons. If you're gonna do it just for like a treatment, then leave it in for an hour and take it out. Personally, it's already been in for 3 hours And when I tell you guys, I'm okay with leaving it in because it's not chemicals. It's literally something natural out of a leaf and organic coconut oil. I'm leaving this in all day. So this is going to be the end of this video. It's been about 3 hours, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. I am so happy because my scalp is not burning right now. It hasn't been burning since I put this on. I wouldn't lie to you guys. If it didn't work, I would have been like, oh my god, don't even bother, it doesn't work. But no, it actually does. So I'm super happy. So I'm going to leave this on for the rest of the day. It is amazing. I'm super happy. They said you could do this 2 to 3 times a week. I know after I eventually wash this out, I'm definitely going to make sure to do it again sometime this week, just to ensure that my scalp is okay. Anyways, 1 leaf was actually more than good enough. I still have a good amount left over. This was enough not only for my scalp, I literally put it in every section of my hair, and I still have some left over. I ended up buying 3 leaves thinking that 1 wasn't going to be enough, but I'm glad I have that as extra now. I'll do more of this throughout the week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, you guys already know the deal. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and thank you again.